Hello guys, hope that you are all doing fine. Welcome back to my channel online automatic trading. So in today's video we are going to review a new brand broker that is called Trading 218. So this broker offer you the chance to trade a lot of stocks from Tesla to Netflix to Facebook to Coinbase, etc. All you need to do is to download the application and then install it on your and then install it to your server. Right now we are on the French version of the site. We need to switch to the English version, since that the majority are no English here. So just 1 minute. Here is it. So in few words, you need of course to switch it to English. Since I am in France, so the site is shown in France. All you need to do is to download the application by clicking on the link below in the description. After that, you click on download the application. You click on install it, then you open the application. Just 1 minute, see with me. As you see, I have already invested in some stocks, so I need to log out from my account in order that you see how to do it. You click on sign up. Of course, you need to sign up using the link below description in order to get your free share. You can get from 1 free USD to 100 USD. You choose your country of residence. For example, I choose France. I click on next. I select the account. After that, you choose an email, you choose a password, and then you accept the policy and the terms. After that, you finish your registration, and then you enter in your account. You deposit one USD. Then after 3 days, you will get a free charge from 1 USD to 100 USD. Me, I have got a lot of free charge, since also with the affiliate program of the sets. You can get from 1 USD to 100 USD on every person that you refer to this set. I hope that this video was useful and helpful. If you have any question about the affiliate program or about how to earn free money with trading dues, feel free to comment below in the video description. I will be happy to answer all your questions. Thank you, and see you in my next video reviews and tutorials about online brokers.